The pet care industry in Nairobi has transformed from a small niche market into a thriving business sector that attracts entrepreneurs looking for profitable opportunities. Across many Nairobi suburbs, pet ownership has grown significantly as families, professionals, retirees, and expatriates increasingly treat their pets as valued members of the household. Dogs and cats are no longer kept only for security or companionship. They are now pampered, groomed, trained, insured, transported, and cared for through specialized services that generate substantial revenue for business owners. For an entrepreneur willing to invest time, patience, and professionalism, the pet grooming industry offers the opportunity to build a sustainable business that can eventually expand into a complete pet care empire. The journey begins with understanding why pet owners are willing to spend money on grooming services. Pets require regular care to remain healthy, clean, and comfortable. Long-haired dogs need trimming to prevent matting. Nails need clipping to avoid injury. Ears require cleaning to prevent infections. Regular bathing helps remove dirt, parasites, and unpleasant odors. Busy pet owners often lack the time, equipment, or expertise to perform these tasks properly. This creates a growing demand for professional groomers who can provide reliable and high-quality services. Before opening a pet grooming business, it is important to study the market carefully. Nairobi contains several suburbs where pet ownership is particularly common. Areas such as Karen, Runda, Roslyn, Kirisuru, Muraiga, Lavington, Kaileshwa, Kilimani, Ruaka, Syokimau, and neighborhoods along Kiambu Road have many households that own pets and are willing to pay for premium services. These locations are attractive because they contain middle-income and high-income residents who prioritize pet welfare and can afford recurring grooming appointments. Research should focus on understanding customer needs within the target area. Some neighborhoods may have a high demand for luxury grooming, while others may require pet boarding or mobile grooming services. Visiting competitors, reading online reviews, studying social media pages, and speaking with pet owners can provide valuable insights into service gaps that your business can fill. The more information gathered before launching, the higher the chances of success. One of the biggest mistakes made by new entrepreneurs is trying to offer every possible service from the beginning. A smarter approach is to start with a specialized service and expand gradually. Grooming is often the best entry point because it requires less capital than veterinary services while generating consistent demand. Once the grooming operation becomes profitable, additional services can be introduced to increase revenue and strengthen customer loyalty. A basic grooming package may include bathing, drying, brushing, nail trimming, ear cleaning, and coat maintenance. Depending on the breed and size of the animal, service prices can vary considerably. Small dogs may be groomed for between 1,500 Kenya shillings and 3,000 Kenya shillings. Medium-sized dogs may attract fees ranging from 2,500 Kenya shillings to 4,500 Kenya shillings. Large breeds often command higher rates because they require more time, effort, and grooming products. Cats can also generate substantial revenue because many owners prefer professional handling during grooming sessions. Location plays a crucial role in determining profitability. A visible location near residential estates, shopping centers, or veterinary clinics can significantly increase customer traffic. Accessibility is equally important because pet owners prefer convenient locations with secure parking and easy access. A clean and attractive premises also contributes to customer confidence. Pet owners want assurance that their animals will be cared for in a hygienic and professional environment. Creating a welcoming atmosphere should be a priority. The grooming facility should be bright, well-ventilated, and organized. Separate spaces for waiting customers, grooming stations, and pet holding areas help create a smooth workflow. Cleanliness is particularly important because pet owners closely observe hygiene standards. Regular disinfection of equipment and workspaces demonstrates professionalism and protects animal health. Startup costs vary depending on the scale of the business. Entrepreneurs who begin with a modest operation can invest approximately 300,000 Kenya shillings to 1,500,000 Kenya shillings. Major expenses typically include rent deposits, grooming tables, professional clippers, dryers, bathing stations, furniture, branding materials, licenses, and marketing activities. Purchasing quality equipment may require a higher initial investment, but often reduces maintenance costs and improves service quality over time. Professional grooming equipment is essential for delivering consistent results. Clippers designed specifically for pet grooming provide better performance than general-purpose alternatives. Adjustable grooming tables improve efficiency and safety. High-quality dryers reduce drying time and enhance coat appearance. Investing in professional-grade tools demonstrates commitment to quality and helps build a strong reputation among clients. Staff selection can significantly influence business performance. Groomers should possess both technical skills and a genuine affection for animals. Pets often become anxious in unfamiliar environments, and calm, patient handling helps create positive experiences. Employees should be trained in breed-specific grooming techniques, customer service, animal behavior, and emergency response procedures. Ongoing training ensures that service standards remain high as the business grows. Marketing represents one of the most important factors in business success. Many pet owners search online when looking for grooming services. A professional website showcasing services, pricing, customer testimonials, and contact information can help attract new clients. Social media platforms are particularly effective because pet-related content naturally generates engagement. Posting before and after grooming photos, educational videos, pet care tips, and customer success stories can build trust and increase visibility. Online reviews have become a powerful influence on purchasing decisions. Encouraging satisfied customers to leave positive reviews can strengthen credibility and improve local search rankings. Exceptional customer service often leads to word-of-mouth referrals, which remain one of the most effective forms of marketing in the pet industry. Mobile grooming services offer another attractive growth opportunity. Many Nairobi residents appreciate convenience and may be willing to pay premium prices for services delivered directly to their homes. A well-equipped grooming van can serve clients across multiple suburbs while reducing the need for expensive commercial premises. Mobile grooming also appeals to pets that become stressed during transportation. As customer numbers increase, entrepreneurs can begin expanding into complementary services. Pet boarding is a natural extension because many owners travel for business, holidays, or family commitments. A secure and comfortable boarding facility can generate recurring income throughout the year. Daily boarding fees often range from 1,500 Kenya shillings to 5,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the level of accommodation and services provided. Pet daycare services are also becoming increasingly popular. Busy professionals often spend long hours at work and seek safe environments where their pets can socialize and exercise during the day. Structured daycare programs provide supervised play, feeding schedules, and exercise routines. This service creates recurring revenue while strengthening relationships with existing customers. Pet training represents another profitable avenue for expansion. Many dog owners struggle with behavioral challenges such as excessive barking, aggression, leash pulling, and poor obedience. Offering training programs can significantly increase customer lifetime value while improving outcomes for pet owners. Group classes, private sessions, and puppy socialization programs can all contribute to business growth. Retail sales can substantially increase profitability. Grooming clients often purchase pet food, treats, toys, shampoos, collars, harnesses, beds, and accessories. Retail products generate additional revenue without requiring significant labor. Carefully selecting high-quality products that align with customer needs can improve both customer satisfaction and profit margins. Strategic partnerships can accelerate growth and reduce marketing expenses. Veterinary clinics, pet breeders, apartment managers, gated communities, pet food suppliers, and animal welfare organizations can become valuable referral partners. Building strong relationships with these stakeholders creates opportunities for mutual promotion and customer acquisition. Technology can further enhance operational efficiency. Appointment booking systems reduce administrative workload and improve customer convenience. Automated reminders help reduce missed appointments. Customer databases make it easier to track preferences, service history, and vaccination records. As the business grows, investing in technology can improve both customer experience and profitability. Customer retention should receive as much attention as customer acquisition. Acquiring new customers often costs more than retaining existing ones. Loyalty programs, membership plans, and subscription packages encourage repeat business. Monthly grooming subscriptions, for example, provide predictable revenue while ensuring pets receive regular care. Building a recognizable brand is essential for long-term success. A memorable business name, professional logo, consistent visual identity, and strong customer service culture help differentiate the company from competitors. Customers who trust a brand are more likely to recommend it to friends and family, creating a powerful cycle of organic growth. As the business matures, expansion opportunities become increasingly attractive. Additional branches can be established in underserved suburbs. Mobile grooming fleets can be deployed across wider geographic areas. Specialized pet hotels, luxury grooming spas, training academies, and online retail stores can all become part of a broader business ecosystem. Some entrepreneurs eventually explore franchising as a growth strategy. A successful operating model can be replicated through carefully managed franchise partnerships. This approach enables rapid expansion while reducing the capital required for opening company-owned locations. However, franchising requires strong systems, clear procedures, and consistent quality control. Future trends suggest that the pet care industry will continue evolving rapidly. Pet insurance, wellness programs, luxury boarding facilities, organic pet foods, mobile veterinary partnerships, and technology-driven services are gaining popularity worldwide. Entrepreneurs who monitor these developments and adapt proactively will be better positioned to maintain a competitive advantage. Building a pet grooming empire in Nairobi is not an overnight process. Success requires patience, dedication, and continuous improvement. Entrepreneurs who focus on exceptional service quality, customer satisfaction, professional standards, and strategic growth can transform a simple grooming salon into a highly profitable enterprise, serving thousands of pet owners across the city. The opportunity is significant because the demand for professional pet care continues to rise as more households embrace pet ownership. By starting with a clear vision, investing in quality service, understanding customer needs, and expanding strategically, an entrepreneur can build a business that generates substantial income while improving the lives of pets and their owners. In a city where convenience, quality, and trust increasingly influence consumer decisions, a well-managed pet grooming business has the potential to become one of the most rewarding ventures in Nairobi's growing service economy. /span/p/body